Yes, it is an absolutely gorgeous day here in Salt Lake City, Utah. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to vlog. Check this out. We have a very special celebrity guest all the way from the United Kingdom, a British mate driving an American muscle car, but we also kind of have some emotional news today. We're selling another car. We're selling the 12C. Now, yes, I know I just bought the McLaren 12C. I've only had it for a couple months and it's an amazing car. I paid $87,000 for it. It's got butterfly doors and it has over 600 horsepower. I bought the car from the man, Jordan. You guys know Jordan, you might remember him. His mom is fighting cancer and she is such a fighter, and Jordan is just an amazing dude. He sold his dream car to support the person he loves the most. The respect that I have for Jordan and Jordan's mom, I can't even begin to describe. Now, of course, that being said, when I bought the 12C, I didn't particularly want a 12C, not because it's not an amazing car. I just wanted to support Jordan and his mom, and I just know that there's somebody out there who can enjoy this car oh so much more than me. And so at the end of today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how you can buy this gorgeous McLaren 12C. And on that bombshell, so I'm trying to describe the situation. We got the two idiots over here, we got the Greek god of thunder, and we got a British mate.
How you doing?
Welcome to Utah, bro.
Thank you. Good to be here.
Are you ready to lose today?
To lose?
Yeah, GT 500 versus 12C.
I've got more power than you.
That's true. What kind of power is this running?
760, 625.
Oh. I didn't even know my car had 625.
Take a listen.
Bro,
yes.
That is America. If you listen closely, you can hear the bald eagle singing. That was amazing. Do that again. Caw-caw. Save it for the lake bed. Those tires are so cold. Go, do your thing. Yeah. That car sounds insane. Like I mentioned earlier, the 12C is officially for sale, and this is probably not the best sales pitch. We have the tire monitoring fault, call McLaren Service Center. We have engine system fault, also call McLaren Service Center, and the right rear lamp fault. So yeah, anyways. And out of nowhere, we got the man, the myth, the legend, Trace, our drone pilot, our drone expertise. He's gonna be flying the friendly skies today. So we are headed to Delta, Utah. Wait, no, highly undisclosed location. Dude, that bumper's gonna catch on fire.
Does he have a fire extinguisher on board?
I don't think so. I am eating Shmee 150's dust. No. What? That Mustang, what? Oh, Stefan, get out of here. Oh, brakes. Everybody's braking. Look at that rooster tail. That's so sick. Oh my goodness. We're gonna get into some trouble. And just like that, we have made it to maybe my favorite place on earth, the dry lake bed. We're at a highly undisclosed location somewhere in America. This is not the Bonneville Salt Flats. I repeat, there's no salt. This is all sediment and dirt. Okay, now he's just showing off. Well, I think it's safe to say, boys, it's not a dry lake bed anymore.
It's not dry.
Crowd, we got a crowd. Jeez, he's a Mustang driver. You're driving a Mustang, bro.
At 150, it gets very, very, very light.
That's good to know. Okay, 150. That's the new mark for today.
Yeah.
150. Now, the OG subscribers will know that I've been out here a lot of times. We did the Audi R8 155 miles an hour, the Focus RS 142 miles an hour, the Gladiator I think was 96, C8 Corvette 173, and the 458 was 178. Shmee's a madman. I had no idea. I didn't realize Shmee was a trash talker. What did you just say, Tim?
179 and then I can pack up.
Bro.
That's all we gotta do.
My PR is 178 in the 458. I think you might beat me.
I know that this can do it. For sure this can do it. It's just whether I feel brave enough to do it.
You do. You should. The real Luke Terry, anything you'd like to say? Any last thoughts? Any words of wisdom before we... I can't say I'm 100% surprised. We have the high clutch temperature warning. My foot is to the floor and the car is accelerating 37. Like, my foot is to the floor. And go. Foot is to the floor. This is so late. We're gonna go. We're back, baby. Come on. Let's go. Oh, it just keeps cutting power. And then it picks up again. Come on, 12C. That is 80 miles an hour right there. This is simply McLaren life in a nutshell. I don't know what else to say. 100 miles an hour, my foot, like, it is getting exhausted. Push to the floor at 110. I mean, that's 120. Come on, baby. 135. That's how she goes. I saw 137. It was indicated 137. I'm always curious to see what Stefan has in the trunk of his GTR because you just never really
First,
know.
it was a tripod. Happy birthday. Second, center dump.
You'll have to watch Stefan's video. Of course you brought the inflatable soccer ball. It's kind of sort of weird when you think about it. Every single decision I've ever made has led me to this exact moment in time in which I'm with Shmee 150 and he's kicking a giant inflatable soccer ball with my weird friend Stefan. If you want to see this ridiculously dumb video, whoa, bro, hey, I saw my life flash before my eyes. If you guys want to see this video, there's a link to Stefan's dumb YouTube channel. He has a weird fascination with inflatables. Well, sadly and unfortunately, it's actually time to head on home. We're gonna try one last hurrah so the car's cooled down for maybe the last 20-25 minutes. We're gonna see what we can do because 132 miles per hour just isn't gonna cut it. Grabbing. Okay, this is not bad. This is a good start. That's 45 miles an hour. Come on, baby. 12C. Never down full send. Let's go 12C. That's 131. 133, we are in 5th gear. Almost at 140 miles an hour. Come on, 12C, push. Go, go. 142, 143, 144, 145, 146. 150, that's 150, barely. That's barely 150. Come on, 12C. The Supra went faster than this. 152, 153, 155. We are tapped out at 155 miles per hour. I don't know what's going on. This car will do 200 miles an hour, but it's had a long day. Well, for a moment today, I thought that might be Stefan's GTR, and for another moment, I thought it might be my McLaren 12C. But I'm happy to say we're all headed home in one piece. It would slightly appear that the McLaren is in a limp mode. My foot is to the floor. So my foot is currently to the floor. 56, 57, 58. We are accelerating at least. We are losing speed.
Where's the button? Where's the button?
The 12C might be dying on us right now. She might be dead. So maybe the lake bed was not the smartest idea. We're gonna shut her down. And now, we're gonna turn her back on. Oh no.
Did it overheat?
Oh, okay, now we're gonna put her into gear. Come on, baby.
Is it overheating?
This is instant karma.
Oh man.
You should be making fun of me.
You're stupid.
No, I think we're fine, Luke. Why are you taking photos of me right now? I think we're okay. Oh, we're good.
All right.
Bye. See you later. Okay, we're accelerating very slowly. We might be okay. This could be a long, arduous journey home. I'm just gonna leave them because we're losing power again. Come on, baby. Come on, no. We're like 100 miles away from the closest town right now. Now we're gonna take a brief intermission from today's shenanigans to thank today's video sponsor, Micro Center. Guys, Micro Center is one of the best places to shop for all of your technology needs because it's tech heaven. They've got everything, desktops, laptops, other computer components such as mice and keyboards. They've got TVs, they got monitors, they have networking equipment, you name it, Micro Center has it. Now, if you're looking to build a custom gaming PC, you gotta check out the Micro Center Custom PC Builder. It's an amazing tool. It lets you know that everything you're buying is actually gonna work well together. It also lets you know what components you're gonna need for the certain playstyle that you're gonna have. Micro Center's got 25 locations across the United States. They got the best prices, the best selection. They got all your technology needs and computer hardware desires. And if you need help customizing your new gaming PC, you can join the new Micro Center community to meet other like-minded enthusiasts. Guys, check out the link below to Micro Center. For a limited time only for you guys, Micro Center is offering a free set of wireless Bluetooth headphones. You're gonna want to get them before they're gone because when they're gone, they're gone. There's no purchase required. Link below. Okay, so we're gonna shut her down. And now we're gonna turn her back on. Oh, hello. Thanks for stopping. Have a great day. Oh. The car is dead. Stefan has a back seat though. Hello, hi. Don't mind us, just sat here in the middle of the road. In the middle. Oh, Shmee pushing? Oh! I never thought this would happen.
Are you just laughing at us?
We have the high clutch temperature and the car won't even go into gear. It's amazing we got off the lake bed though.
True.
That's nice because the tow bill will be half the price now.
I was thinking we'd get Texas Roadhouse on the way home, but it's looking like we're gonna have to find us an elk.
This is good elk country actually.
Can't you get it in neutral?
Oh, we're good. Close the door.
Oh, bro, okay.
Close the door.
All right.
Okay, come on. We're going.
Drive it, or do we need to push it?
Bye. Bye. Wait, do you have the key?
Yes.
Oh, bro. Just go. Go. Get him the key. Get him the key. Go. Bye, Luke. Come on, 12C. Let's go, baby. We're back, baby. We are back.
Yo! I just had to sit in the car.
Stefan is the good luck charm. We're back. We are overheating right now. The water temperature is through the roof. Do we stop and get gas?
Probably.
We have to get fuel.
Stop while you're ahead.
Oh goodness. We have made it back to town though. Welcome back to Delta, Utah. Which does mean that if we do have to tow the car home, wait, what side? This side. We're good. Look at all the dirt in it.
Some of it already fell off.
That is Shake and Bake Nation.
Look at that. Shout out Koenig Wheels.
Whoops. Well, the car is now making a new noise. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It could be an interesting drive. We have 140 miles back to Salt Lake. What? What in the world? That's absurd. No.
Oh, he broke it.
Did he break it? Oh no! What's going on?
We're good.
It doesn't feel good. It doesn't look good.
I was just feeling a little tired, and so I just had to pull over and just...
Oh, is that what's going on? Utah is flexing on the nation though. We'll see you at Roadhouse in about 2 hours.
Yeah.
Does that work? Just an FYI, I have no idea why we just stopped in the middle of the road. I don't know. And wait, is he pulling over again? I don't know what Stefan's doing. He's not drunk, but we got a jogger.
Who taught this guy how to drive?
What is going on?
He just keeps exploding his car.
Is it good?
I think we're back. All right, here we go.
See you later. He's got all these maps and computers and tunes and flame show, and he doesn't know how to drive his car though. It's a fast car, but it just needs a better driver. We made it. The 12C did survive that crazy arduous journey. Oh goodness, this car has a lot of issues. So tomorrow morning, I made an appointment, makes some models. We're gonna drop off the car. They're gonna fix everything. All those check engine lights, the car being in limp mode, everything's gonna be fixed on this car. And then yes, we are gonna be selling it. So I paid $87,000 for Jordan's 12C. I'm not looking to flip this car for a profit. We're gonna sell it for $87,000, but I'm gonna donate 10% of the sale proceeds to Jordan's mom's GoFundMe, link in the description below. So if I sell the car for $87,000, I'll donate $8,700. If you are interested in this car, let me know. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like this vlog, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.